unemployment is a huge challenge in Sierra Leone. Over 70% of young people are unemployed. They need the skills, they need the empowerment that will enable them to take part in the green revolutions. Climate change is a huge problem. We all see the effects from flooding to the issues that are affecting food production and many more. At the Freetown Innovation Lab, we are organizing green skills training where we will employ young people with skills and trainings that will enable them to start businesses in the green sectors. This is not only providing jobs for young people, but providing them the opportunity to take part in the green skills venture. They will learn in massive scales in sorting plastic, recycling plastic into different products that they can actually manufacture, sell, and they become self-reliant. With these skills, I believe we are contributing towards youth unemployment. With these skills, we are contributing in tackling the youth unemployment challenge in Sierra Leone, but also we are also developing the workforce that will contribute in tackling the issue of climate change and develop the workforce that again will be well positioned to increase young people's participation in tackling waste management and lots of other environmental challenges. In the training, participants participated in different activities, from sourcing plastic to identifying the effect of waste towards our environment. Participants were able to really learn immersive experience in weaving, making products such as dustbin, furnitures, and a lot of other things. This is positioned Freetown Innovation Lab as a leading circular economy venture that develops products as well as develop the workforce that tackles the issues of waste management and environmental issues.